Back out at SoFi Stadium, and workers are back. It's been since earlier in the week following the tragic accident that occurred last Friday. But we got workers back up on the roof going at it, and we'll take a look how everything's looking today. Got a few more people up on the roof, kind of like the northwest corner of the stadium. Always work to be done up there, it seems. Okay, now over here across from the Forum on Pincay, we're seeing a lot of sidewalk work going on now. During the week there's a lot of heavy machinery construction, but you can see there, it's like maybe they're widening the road a little bit and then gonna make this a little bit nicer as far as perhaps a walkway or a sidewalk. You can see some signage here in period north. Let's take a look, see if we can read around the corner here. Alright, we got North Fairfax. Guessing that'll be an X, North Fairfax. Yeah, I haven't heard anything about that, so. This is all new to me from what I've been trying to read and keep up with the stadium. Underneath the canopy. North Fairfax. I'll keep on moving and see if there's any more signage going up. That was a surprise to me today. See, they're doing some more things beyond the fence there. Yeah, this area really needs to be cleaned up. And there's some pre-existing walls from the old Hollywood Park days that I'll show you. See that canopy with the same looking kind of mesh there for some shade going up the escalator. Oculus not turned on at this time. See the Oculus there with some, which I think is some pretty gnarly electrical wiring there. Still seeing some missing seats there. See a couple workers. Looks pretty nice from up here now. Looking at the ceiling, looks fairly full and complete. Looking inside the stadium at I think there's some suites. I think that's glass I'm seeing there. You'll see the some of the electrical boards will flash a different color, and you'll see some reflections on there. Alright, one of the SoFi signs. The entry 2. I think that was covered up before, so. Alright, welcome. Of course, you've already seen the other ones, entry 3 and 4, as well as the entry 1, which is, I think, that one. Alright, I see somebody up there, but not sure what they're doing with the seats that are already there. But I need to see some big cardboard boxes for more seats to go in so we can fill in the rest of this section. One thing I've noticed over here, as well as on the eastern side, maybe the west has it as well, but you can't really see it from that vantage point. I think they implemented some more little safety kind of fence lines there. I think that's what it is, you know. Since the tragic accident, like, I think that might be another little stopgap measure for worker safety up there. See some more of this off of Pincay, the work going on here, the perimeter. Let's see that walkway. Looks like they got some of that cabling there. Cabled fencing. Over here at the back side of the NFL office. They got this wall of the performance venue going again. It's pretty big project there. They've done pretty good so far. See some of the sheathing continuing here. And on the left is the finished product. And just a little note here, you see this wall that's developing. You see that raised area section in the middle. Raised. See that raised portion. Now, you swing over to the other side of the performance venue, the wall, it's inverted. So instead of that being a rise, it cuts into it, if that makes any sense. looking forward to seeing all those trees being planted. You can see them right now in their planters, but at some stage I believe they'll be put into the ground, the asphalt you see there. So they'll have to dig that up and plant them in there deep. And trying to take a look here at some of the other commercial development going on. You know, looking over the corner of Century and Prairie. Or eventually we're gonna see some kind of commercial development, a hotel, restaurants, some residential, and lots and lots of future things coming in the years ahead. Not this year certainly, but you know, by the time the Super Bowl comes, they should have this place pretty well put together.